So we're on the Herbastat hairdirt.net page, and we're kind of going through the website, and we're basically just going over the herbs, right? So we've done aloe vera already, we've done collagen already, and now we're going after fenugreek. So what is so cool about the fenugreek seed? Why does it help hair so much, and why should we use it? And more importantly, why does herbastathairdirt.net use fenugreek seed as one of their key ingredients to help either boost hair function or hair growth or shine or support or not make it gray?
Through discoveries, archaeologists believe this spice was used as far back as 4000 BC. Fenugreek is a plant and pods that contain small golden brown seeds. Fenugreek seeds contain B1, B2, B6, and B9. It's really high in iron, has 20% of your daily value. Fenugreek seeds not only kill the bacteria and the fungi present in the scalp, but strengthen the hair follicles and promote hair growth. These seeds fight irritation on the scalp and dandruff, which are the two main reasons for hair loss. It is the high potassium rate in fenugreek which is capable of tackling premature graying of hair. Your body breaks down fenugreek into one of these 8 essential sugars found on the planet for cellular communication. We call these glyconutrients. They are the 8 essential sugars found on the planet. Cells communicate with sugars and proteins, and galactose is one of those 8 essential sugars, and galactose comes from fenugreek. So if you have dry, frizzy hair, look no further than fenugreek. It will take care of that because it is an anti-inflammatory. Be sure to subscribe, and below we have links to glyconutrients, and just a reminder that Herbastat Hair Dirt herbal supplement has fenugreek plus 24 other herbs for your hair and the complete set of glyconutrients. So be sure to check us out. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you soon.